excuse the sound of the traffic. So this is an Air France aeroplane seat. Okay, it's obviously missing its headrests. Got these leatherette arms, there's a hole there. This lifts up. I haven't got a clue how the electrics work, etc. So in the back it's got, these are both working, but you can see it's missing down there, it's missing some material, and the material there is very tatty. All sorts of things you can do with this. Do it up, reupholster it, whatever, and do whatever. Please come forward. That one seems to recline more than that one. Really, really quirky little statement piece, these. So let's have a look on the underneath. Okay, so it's basically got a metal frame. As you can see, it needs some cleaning up underneath. That probably just needs to be sewn in or something like that. As you can see, it's got the electrics underneath. No idea if any of it's working, of course. And presumably these are the bolts that kept it in place. Yeah, there's some electrical attachment there. This flaps around, needs to be re-glued. Very, very, very funky item.